Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your username on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, tap on it. And here you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can see the second option in my account section, that is username. Tap on it, and here you can now just simply write a username. You can just simply tap on continue to change your username. You can change your username only be changed once in a year, and after this you can write the new username or remove the first username, and it is a way you can change username on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.